everyone. Today in this tutorial, I show you how to delete all the videos that you have watched on Facebook. It's easy, just keep watching. You're gonna go to your account on Facebook and then you're gonna go to the setting and here you're gonna scroll down until you see setting and privacy. After you click on setting and privacy, you're gonna click on setting again and here you're gonna scroll down until you see activity log. We're gonna click on activity log and here what we want is video watch it. You're gonna grab this menu here until you see videos watch it. You're gonna click on it and here you're gonna see all your activity and the videos that you have watched before. If you want to delete like video by video, you're gonna click on this icon here and then click on delete. If you need to clear the videos, all the videos that you have watched in your history, you're gonna click on clear videos watch history. Here you're gonna click on clear. After you click on clear, congrats, you have deleted all your videos watched.